Animal agriculture is responsible for producing between 14.5 and 18% of total greenhouse gas emissions, which makes it responsible for more emissions than the combined exhausts of all transport globally. The fishing method of bottom trawling alone is responsible for producing the same amount of emissions as the entire aviation industry. Switching to a plant-based diet could reduce agricultural emissions by as much as 73% in high-income nations. And a study that analysed 313 different potential food systems discovered that the highest greenhouse gas emissions were found in the food systems that included a high meat demand, especially if focused on ruminant meat and milk, whilst the lowest emissions came from the vegan diets. But what about local animal products? Are they not more sustainable than buying plant foods from abroad? Well, not according to the science. In fact, when it comes to beef, only 0.5% of the emissions come from the transportation, and for lamb, it's only 2%, meaning that the issue of animal farming is the farming itself. Even with plant foods like avocados, only 8% of the total footprint comes from the travelling itself. In fact, for most food products, the transportation accounts for less than 10%, with the higher transportation percentage simply being a reflection of the fact that the food naturally produces lower amounts of greenhouse gases.